Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the area so the weave won't worsen. Pin the fabric flat and trim any jagged ends. This prevents further snagging when you work. Thread a sharp needle with a matching thread about 18-24 inches long. Too long and it knots, too short and you'll struggle. Once done, tie a small waist knot and test your tension on the garment hem to feel how the weave responds before you move into repairing the pull itself. You then coax the pulled thread back into the weave by easing it along the original path. This preserves the fabric pattern. Use a small crochet hook or the tip of your needle to pull the loop through neighboring threads, working one stitch at a time so tension is shared. Make small, discrete catch stitches under 2-3 surrounding threads rather than pulling tight. This prevents puckering. As you work, smooth the fabric flat and check alignment, because correct tension is why the repair stays invisible. Finish by anchoring the repaired thread with 3 tiny backstitches on the reverse or a pinpoint of clear fabric glue. This keeps the weave from slipping. Trim any stray fibers and press gently. Use a press cloth and the appropriate iron setting to settle the threads without flattening texture. If you see puckering or a small hole, make sure to redistribute tension first. If that fails, insert a tiny matching patch under the area and repeat the reweave. Troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.